The diagram below shows a sketch of the graph y is equal to x squared minus 6x plus 8, cutting the x-axis at B and C. So the graph is cutting the x-axis at B and C. Find the coordinates of B and C. So we are going to find the coordinates of B and C. So now how do we find the coordinate of B and C? We are going to get this equation. Y is equal to x squared minus 6x plus 8. Now, since the graph is cutting the x-axis at B and C, this is the x-axis, the graph is cutting the x-axis. So whenever the graph is cutting the x-axis, y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. So meaning the equation of the y-axis is at the y-axis. So whenever the graph is cutting the x-axis, the equation of the y-axis is equal to 0. So meaning where there is y, we need to put a 0. Now, why are we putting a 0? Because the graph is cutting the x-axis. On the x-axis, the value of y at that point is 0. So whenever you hear the term the graph is cutting the x-axis, just know that where there is y, you need to put a 0. So x squared minus 6x plus 8, this equation should be equal to 0. So meaning where there is y, we have put a 0. Now we need to solve this equation quadratically. So meaning we need to collect the data, we need to find the value of a. The value of a is in the coefficient of x power 2. In this case, the value of a is 1. Okay? The value of b is the coefficient of x, which is negative 6. The value of c is 8. So now we apply the quadratic formula. X is equal to positive or negative b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So x is equal to negative